stop playing with him.
Jdavinci in his bitch. Okay. I'm so bad I got him twerking with me in his bitch. Got him asking.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Jdavinci if you're new to my videos. I sound a little nasally or under the weather because I think I'm under the weather. The weather is on top of me. I came across this brow thing called laminated brows and I'm like, oh no. When I saw the title, I was like, people are laminating, like they're going to Staples and they're getting their eyebrows laminated. Like, is this really a thing? But I'm gonna enter some pictures on the screen of what laminated brows look like. And I'm gonna show you guys today how to get laminated brows with makeup. You guys can see I barely have any brows. I like to change the shape of my brows depending on how I'm feeling. I have my Lorac Take a Brow Kit. I'm going to be using this for the wax. Come on, focus on the wax. We're gonna be using the wax out of this kit because what I did notice was that all the ladies' eyebrows were thrown up. So what we're gonna do is oh yeah, and I also have my Anasatasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in medium brown. Of course, my angled eyebrow brush and some type of concealer to snatch the brow. What we're gonna do is start off by zooming you guys in. Here's the before of my brow, so you guys are aware what the before brow looks like. Let me look at another picture, because I forgot what I was doing already. Okay. I'm gonna start off with the wax. And normally the wax would be the last thing that I put on my brows. Take our wax, I'm just wiping back and forth. And we're going to begin going in that up direction. And I'm just really messily putting the wax on. Maybe we could just take it on our finger, low-key. And then brush our brows up. Actually easier to just put the wax on with my fingers than it was to do it with a brush. I'm going to brush my brows up. Now what we can do is we can either go on with our brow powder, or if you want it to actually last all day, you can go on with your brow pomade. Let's try, I don't know, let's do a little bit of, let's do a pomade first. If you found that your Anastasia is gotten dry, just put it on the back of your hand to like warm it up. I'm going to stroke the hairs in this direction, like up. Following my natural brow, just up and out, just like that. Up and out. Up and out. And if it goes too far, it's okay. Brown shade in our Lorac kit. Then we're going to just wipe it and then continue to brush our brows up and out. We're just adding strokes. Next, what we're going to do to clean up that brow, I'm going to take my Rihanna in the shade Bamboo. You could go in with your NARS. You can go in with virtually any type of concealer that you had. However, it just looks like I got my eyebrows arched, like waxed. And you know how it kind of looks a little lighter when you get your eyebrows waxed? That's what it looks like. And then lastly, don't forget to just brush it up and out. All right, now let's just do the same thing to the side. Brush up and out. So I'm actually liking this brow a bit better. Last thing we need to do is brush them up and out one more time. So this is the final look of my laminated brows. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Don't forget to give it a big old thumbs up. And before you decide to go out and permanently laminate your brows, remember that you can do it with makeup. All right, bye.
This Louis got me feeling like a baddie. This Gucci got me feeling like a baddie.